Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. As someone who tries to be super active while still listening to all of my favorite music, I love a good pair of headphones. This one from Audiovance definitely fits the bill with all of the qualities that I look for. For one thing, the headset is super light. So even while holding it, it feels like it is lighter than a stack of coins. The earpieces are light, but the band that goes around the back of your head is really light and soft to the touch, making it really comfortable to wear. I also really like it because once you have it in place, thanks to that perfectly rounded feature, it fits right over your ears and stays in place, even while running on the treadmill. I also really like it because the sound quality is really good that comes out of this headset. Once you put it on, it's amazing how it even blocks out outside noises, even though it doesn't go in your ears. And it comes with its very own special charger, so be sure to keep that nice and safe so that you're ready to charge at any time. However, once you do have it charged, it stays charged for a long time. The headset is really comfortable, it has great sound quality, and it's awesome for different activities. In my mind, that is one of the best things that I look for from my headphones, and I'm sure that you will really enjoy using this pair. But that's just my point of view.